Welcome to a new episode of Friday Freebies, where we take a look at some of the best options that are freely available for web designers across the globe. Today, we're going to take a look at a tool that allows us to get creative with our images, our vectors, and all manner of other graphical kinds of things. Now, sure, you can do a lot of things with AI these days, but there's still more than enough reasons why you may want to have a tool like Affinity installed on your particular computer. Originally, we had three different apps. We had Affinity Photo, Affinity Publisher, and Affinity Designer. This covered all the main bases, so vector, publications, and also bitmap images. So all those bases were covered. That recently went absolutely free, called it Affinity, and now includes all three of those applications in one. Cool thing is, this is 100% free, unless you want to use the AI that comes with Canva, but that's a different story altogether. We're not even going to touch upon that. Now, the cool thing is, it's available on Mac, Windows, not on iPad just yet, but apparently that is coming. But why do I recommend Affinity? Well, I've been using Affinity since version 1 when I was paying for it, and I paid for all the previous versions. So Affinity free now gives everybody the opportunity to get the same great tools for zero cost whatsoever. And you can use this for photo editing, retouching, creating logos. But even if you don't use it from a creative standpoint, you're probably going to get files sent over from clients where they are in a format you need to open them. So they could be in Illustrator file formats or Photoshop file formats. Affinity can open those up and edit them. So you have still control over all those different options if you send over those files. Plus, if you're using something like AI to create graphics, there's a lot of times where you want to use those and create combination graphics where you create an image inside AI, you pull it in, you maybe want to add text over it, various different options. Affinity is a great tool to do all of that. I use this pretty much every day to create thumbnails, edit images, and so much more. It is a very solid tool. However, if you are more creative and you do like to get in there and start creating images, again, the Affinity suite of tools is a really good option. You can create publications if you want to have free options to download from your website and you want to get creative with the whole layout and everything. You can do that here. Create your PDFs, make it totally available. Want to create logos and vector images? Again, you can do it here. Want to do all these inside one application where you can seamlessly switch between any of those personas? You can do it inside Affinity. Is it fast? Absolutely. Is it faster than the Adobe suite? So for example, you open an image up in Photoshop, you want to add something inside Illustrator, and you've got to round trip it. Again, absolutely. There's no round tripping here. It's all integrated into one single application with various different simple personas. So if you're looking for a great tool to be able to not only create graphics, but to optimize them, resize them, scale them, do all those kinds of things automatically, and I've covered this in its own dedicated video, which I'll put down below so you can check the video out. Again, Affinity gives us those options. So even if you only want to use this to do simple things, having it on there is a really useful tool. So that is Affinity. It gives us lots of great options. It's absolutely free, unless, of course, you want to use the AI with Canva, which generally is a bit sucky at the moment anyway. But apart from that, everything else is absolutely free on there. Check it out. The link will be in the description alongside the link to the playlist where I've covered Affinity for various different options. That will also be down there as well. Install it, try it out. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. All applicable links down below. My name is Paul C. This is WPTuts, and until next time, take care.